Have you ever said something in anger and instantly regret about it? Or you found yourself in a stressful situation and you had no idea how to deal with that? Here's the emotional intelligence jump into the conversation, the skill we all need to excel in our professional as well as in personal life. So, in this video, we will discuss about what is emotional intelligence, why the emotional intelligence matters, then the IQ, and how we can develop that skill into our personality to become extraordinary in this competitive, extraordinary world. If you are new here, I am Rimsha, and in this Rimspire community, we are all committed to become the best version of ourselves. So let's deep dive into the topic. So first we have to recognize that we have to understand the concept of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is an ability to understand, to recognize and to manage your own emotions, and also to understand, recognize and manage the emotions of others as well. Emotional intelligence is not about your emotions. It's about use of your emotions with wisdom. Smartly use of your emotion, not being impulsive but being proactive. By making decisions, by reacting in every aspect of your life, you have to take the approach of, you have to adapt the approach of proactiveness instead of impulsiveness. That's how the emotional intelligence came into the conversation. That's how the emotional intelligence incorporate into your personality by recognizing your own emotions and recognize and understand and manage your emotions smartly, not impulsively. So yeah, if you will grab this skill of managing your own emotions with intelligence, with wisdom, your emotional intelligence really helps you not only in professional life, in your personal life as well. Your decision making, your ability to make friends, your ability to grow in every aspect of your life, in every aspect of your life will increase by incorporating emotional intelligence into your personality. It's not something I am telling you and it is my own observation or it is my own theory. It is my observation and it's not just my theory. It is scientifically proved. It is the research. According to the American psychologist and the author Daniel Goleman, he said that your emotional intelligence, your EQ determines how well you do at job, how well you do at work. But your IQ only gets you the job. So it is very important to recognize that your IQ alone will not help to achieve the greatest good, to become you, the extraordinary person. Your EQ and IQ both will help you to achieve your goals, will help you to become that better version of yourself. So determine how well you survive in particular situation, and your IQ only helps you to get into that situation, to be in particular situation, and your emotional intelligence will help you to survive through the way. So it's essential to incorporate EQ as well and not just focusing on your IQ. Speaking of the Daniel Goleman, an American psychologist and the author, made this emotional intelligence thing easy for all of us. How we can sharpen our emotional intelligence skill. Daniel Goleman divided this into the 5 components. What are these 5 components? These are self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, sympathy, and social awareness. Yes, you are right, guys. If we understand all these 5 components, we will become the emotionally intelligent person. That's what we all do, because in this Rimspire community, we all wanted to become the better version of ourselves. We all are committed to learn more, to grow, to excel, to evolve. That's why we are learning new things that help us to become the better and extraordinary human being in this competitive world, right? So I'll talk about the most about the self-awareness. There are self prompts, there are shadow work prompts, there are different personality tests to recognize your own emotion. So what's coming? What comes under the self-awareness definition, self-awareness thing? The first component that Daniel Goleman explained in understanding the emotional intelligence thing is self-awareness. When you recognize your emotion, then you have the grip about what sort of person you are, which things triggers you, what sort of person triggers you, what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, what is your personality actually, what sort of person you are. It will easy for you to recognize and to react in a certain situation according to your personality. When you have the grip about what sort of person you are, what are your strengths, which things you like, which things you don't, it will become easy to make decisions about the persons, about the situations. So self-reflection, self-awareness is the key component of achieving anything in your life. So focus on recognizing yourself first. Ask yourself some questions about your personalities, about your mood, about the things that triggers you. right? Component related to also the self-regulation. When you are very self-aware about yourself, now it's a time to react properly, react proactively. Because in any situation, when you react impulsively, it will create a negative impact and it will not lead towards the good decision making. So you have to be very aware about the self regulation. You are very well aware about yourself. You know what's your triggers, you know what's your strengths. Now it's a time to react properly with wisdom and with wisdom and with intelligence. So what will you do in that situation? If anything disturbing you, if any stressful situation comes, and if you are feeling yourself under pressure, what would you do? You will take a pause, think properly about that particular situation and react proactively, right? Think about that situation, not just impulsively react. And and other person starts saying that you are talking with your emotions, you are becoming very emotional, why you are doing that thing, yada yada yada. So if you are emotionally intelligent person, and if you want to incorporate that emotional intelligence into your personality, you have to be very careful about the self regulation. How will you react? You have to talk proactively, you have to react proactively. Take care of that. Important component is motivation. Always remember your why you start that particular thing, why you set that goal for you, why you want the emotional intelligence into your personality, why you want to incorporate that skill. Because whatever, because of yours, everyone has a different motivation of starting the new thing, everyone has the different reason behind their why to start anything, right? So remember your why. If your why is important, then keep all these things in momentum. Don't lose your track because of the noise around you, because of the distractions. Because we are in this Inspire community, are so committed of doing things that are helpful for our personality, that are helpful, that help us to grow, to evolve, and become the better human being, to become the better individual in this competitive world. So we are so committed to learning, we are so passionate about learning and about evolving. That's why we all know our why, and you must also know. And if you are watching that video, it's mean you also want to evolve, grow, and become the better human. That's why I really appreciate you if you encourage me as well, because it's essential to become the accountability partner of one another in this growth journey and be very kind to one another, right? So remember your why, the reason behind your why you started and why you want certain things. Under the component of emotional intelligence is social awareness. Be very active, be very aware about what's going on in the market, what you should know, because we are all committed to expand our horizon of knowledge, and we should all be aware about what's going on around us. What's the trend going on in market, what are the advancement going on in technology that really help us to become more productive, that really help us to become more productive individuals to achieve our goals. So recognize that thing also. And one really important thing I really want to mention here, the American psychologist and the author Daniel Goleman said that your EQ, your emotional intelligence, determines how well you do at work, and your IQ gets you the job. So if you want in a certain situation, if you want to be in certain thing, your IQ helps that. Your intelligence, your ability of remembering things, or how genius you are, helps you to be in that particular situation, to be in that particular place. But how will you survive after entering in that particular place? It will determine by your EQ. So work on your emotional intelligence. Such shifts and practical tips you can incorporate into your personal habits, into your daily life. Emotionally intelligent person. First one is start journaling. Recognizing yourself. Start journaling. When you start journal, when you start writing down your emotions, it will become clear for you that why you are feeling in that certain way and what should you do next. So start journaling. Everything, write everything you are feeling, every curiosity you have, start writing it down. The second thing you can do is start listening other persons with more empathy. Show kindness, empathy towards them. Not just listen to give the replies and answer, but listen to really understand the other person. Practice active listening, not just passive listening and just to listen everybody to give them the reply, right? So I think that brings us to the end of this video. I am really happy to share all these things with you because I love to speak in front of the camera. I love to speak with you guys. And although I don't have so much resources right now, but I am so willing to improve myself and I'm so willing to talk about the certain topics we should know. But I am so willing and so passionate about learning and to discuss the things that should know, that should be discussed, and spread awareness about it to the other person, to the youth, in order to become the best version of ourselves. I'm just here with you guys. I'm just here recording the video with my usual phone, but yes, I know my why. I know the reason of my why. That's why I'm here filming this video. I am so committed and so passionate about learning, and I love to speak with you all guys. I love to speak in front of the cameras. I love to speak about topics that the skills, the habits we should incorporate into our routine. I'm so committed. I'm so obsessed with the self-development stuff. That's why I can't wait for the resources or the high quality equipments to come and then start recording. I am starting right now whatever I have right now. So I would love that if you appreciate me by clicking the subscribe button and tell me about your opinion and what are the components you are most willing to work on in order to incorporate the emotional intelligence into your life. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time, stay committed and stay glowing, and don't forget to watch Rimspire and show me your love and commitment of learning. Okay, so until next time, see you soon. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.